Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita lagi di bengkel Auto 5000 dan tetap di channel SMP Auto 5000. Yes, right? And we back again in Auto 5000 workshop and still with channel SMP Auto 5000. Okay? And now we have a Suzuki Swift, and this is Swift. We want to make a video about tutorial to open fuel cap. Yes, fuel cap of Suzuki Swift car. And you know, in Suzuki Swift we must to fuel engine is petroleum or pertalite. Yes, premium. This is exactly. And now we must to the trend of fuel. We must open the fuel cap. And what the ways? Yes, this is by step. And the step first, we must to open the door of the driver, and the second, we must to pull it off the stick, the handle, and the third, we close the door for driver, and then we going to the fuel cap cover, and after that, we must to open the fuel cap. Okay, understand? Yes. On very fast, I said no. Okay, we want to try. Okay, the first we to going and car of the door driver, and then we'll sit to the stick of the holder, and in Suzuki Swift we can find it in here. This is a chair of the driver, and then we're going to the tumble or stick. Yes, and this is we must to get to the open like this. We can tarik or pull it like this. Okay. Like this. Okay, like this, and then we're going to the fuel cap cover. Before we must to close the driver door. Okay, close the door for driver, and then we should going to the fuel cap cover for there. And in Swift we have to the left side to the car. Yes, this is cover cap. Yes, and then we're going to the open. This is open and have a noise and sound of like this. Okay, and we can get to the fuel, and this is unleaded fuel only, no unstable bensin, and does laser bensin, solo gasolin sin plomo, khusus bensin tanpa timbal. Nah, itu beberapa bahasa yang disampaikan oleh Suzuki. Dan ketika sudah selesai, and after you have finished to fuel, we can close the fuel cap like this for the rolling on the right, like this. Okay, this like this. Okay, this is close, and close just for like this. This is for the pressing. Okay, we have finished to make a tutorial Suzuki Swift to the open and close the fuel cap. You understand? No? Okay. If you still confused, I want to trying again. Okay, the first we must to get to the driver door, and after that we open it and see the tumble stick, where this stick, and very near to the chair of the driver. And after that we pull it, and after pull it we close the door for driver, and then we going to the set live set to the car and to the open cover to fuel cap. And after that we can get the open and the close after drain to the fuel. Okay, let's try again. Like this, we going to the open the door, and after that we can go into the chair driver, and after that we can pull it this stick like this. Okay, and after that we get the close for driver door. Okay, like this we close. Okay, and after the close the door we going to the set of the live car, and after that we can see this cap, the open and the gap, have the gap, and after that we can open this like this, and fuel is out drain. Okay, into the drain, and after the fuel full, we can get the close this cap like this, and after the close we can get to the close this fuel cap. Okay, and this is the way to the close Suzuki Swift fuel cap. Okay teman-teman, thank you very much to watching this video, and don't forget to the subscribe and comment for the column, and nyalakan tombol loncengnya. Okay, turn on to the lonceng. Barakallahu fikum ajmain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Safeguard life better. This is the car. Okay.